Welcome to the Liquid Nomad. I'm Del. Today we're making the Mint Julep, a spirit-forward but fresh bourbon whiskey cocktail. This is the Mint Julep. To start, grab your julep cup. Now, remember when you're building this cocktail, this is practically an old-fashioned. Spirit, sugar, bitters, water, and in place of bitters, we're using mint. I'm gonna grab about 8 mint leaves, place them in the cup, then a 2-to-1 Demerara syrup. 2-to-1, meaning 2 parts Demerara sugar to 1 part water. And we're gonna add a heaping Barspoon, 7 mils. Heaping, meaning just slightly overpouring. Quick reminder, if you like the channel, subscribe goes a long way in supporting us and doesn't cost you anything. Then for our bourbon, I'm using Jefferson's Ocean aged at sea. This is 45% ABV, 90 proof, but honestly, just use any bourbon of your choice. 2 ounces into our glass. Then you're gonna grab your muddler. And the idea here is to press the mint to express the oils, not to shred the mint and get a slight mint bitterness. Then fill your glass 3/4 of the way with crushed ice. Take your Barspoon and we're just gonna agitate it. Now this is gonna chill and dilute, and we're gonna do this for 45 seconds. It may seem like a long time, but honestly, it's 90% bourbon when you start, and when you dilute it, you really need that in order to have a nice balanced cocktail between the Demerara and the mint, and of course the bourbon. All right, then fill your cup with crushed ice. Grab a couple fresh sprigs of mint. And then you're gonna spank them to release those oils, make them act right, and right into the glass. With our serve-size sip straw, our drink is done. This is the Mint Julep. Like many cocktails, the origin story is a bit here and there, so here's the quick version. The julep originally began with medicinal purposes, showing up before and into the early 1700s, then popularized in the 1800s by politician Henry Clay. In 1938, the Mint Julep became the official drink of the Kentucky Derby, which is most commonly associated with today. All right, so first of all, a quality bourbon really stands out here. The mint on the nose really informs the olfactory, while the mint in the cocktail adds that nice fresh mint bitterness in place of actual bitters. You can play with the sugar amounts and types for your own liking. And even though you have the extra dilution from that 45 seconds agitation, this is still a strong drink. So take your time with it, and over time, the crushed ice will soften it up. Enjoy. For this cocktail, we're at the Nasdaq family's great room in Maryland. Not only does this family hold a special place in my heart, but the extremely talented Chef Mike, son of Glenn and Jenny, is one of my best friends. The Nasdaqs are masters of the craft, whose partnership, hard work, and determination shows throughout this beautiful house. Much thanks to the Nasdaq family for letting me share this space with you today. If you're interested in bar gear used, support small businesses and artisans by checking out our handmade product and bar gear affiliates in the description below with attached discount codes. It helps them as a business, us the channel, and you save money. If you tried the Mint Julep or a cocktail you want to see me make, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.